Hello, in today's video I will teach you how to color correct or how to color grade your video. So let's go ahead. Now when you're in Untitled, make sure that you go to effects. Okay, from effects you can select this or you can select this later on. So I have this clip here. Like you can see the color is like quite good, but just for show I will use this footage. When you type color, okay, there are multiple options you will see. COLOR, color. So there are many things like change color, change to color, color balance, and so many stuffs. Okay, so first of all, you can play around. There are many options, but three-way color corrector is one of the best I find. So I will use this one. Click here and drop here. So when you drop here, you will see this 3 disc. Okay, so from this 3 disc you can change the shadow, which means the shadow color. Okay, this remaining color will remain the same, but this is for the shadow. So if you change the shadow, this black colors shades color will change. Dekho, look at this. So this is how you can change the shades. So if I like this shade because it's like colorful, I will go to mid-tones. So mid-tones are here. You can even select the mid-tones to make your manual mid-tones. I will select this face for mid-tones so that I can see the face color change, right? So I'll drag around. Look, there are color differences. See, this is how the color changes. So I find this color like the best for me because we all have different taste. So if I go to highlights, I'll do the same way like this. So click and like drag around and put the best thing you find. Okay, so I will put like this. So when I play, the color are like this. So I find this color better than the original. Even the original was fine, but I'm just doing this for like correction. So this is after and before. Let's remove the effects and see how it was before. Remove effects and I will remove. Okay, so this was the color before. This is before and this is after. So done for that one. I will remove the effects now. See, you can click here one by one and like change the way you want it. Okay, so like everybody have different taste, so do it according to like what you find. So many things are there when you type here color. So if I type here fast, so I can go here fast color corrector. Okay, so let's experiment with this fast color corrector. I like this. So when you push this one, you get only one disc now. So let's try. When you put here like this, put here, it becomes bluish, yellowish. So the more you put up outward of the disc, then the more intense the color is. So the more you pull inside, the less intense it is. Yeah, so this is how you can play around and change the color. So I find this the best out of this. Okay, so this is how it goes. It's a cool color. It's cool. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this makes it clear.